I'm getting ready to replace the glad hand, and the easiest way to replace the glad hand on these chassis is to use a landing gear handle. If you haul a lot of chassis, it's good to have a spare landing gear handle also, because sometimes you're gonna run into a situation where you go to pick up a trailer and they don't have a handle on it, or you might be picking up an old trailer, and while you winding the landing gear, whether up or down, the handle break off. So it's good if you have a spare, you could just put it on there. And a lot of these stuff come with experience. If you're pulling these containers long enough, you know what you need to have with you. So this is a landing gear handle. All you do, you put it over the glad hand. It seems like you were made just for that, but it fit perfect on there. And you just turn it counterclockwise to take the old one off. Like you see, it come off real easy. It's easier than using a wrench. You can't get a socket on there, you'll have to use a wrench. But it's easier if you use the landing gear. So I'm gonna go grab the new glad hand. And it's a red one, but either one, it work the same way, whether the red or the blue. And it's a basic repair. You just screw it on. You only go on one way. And if you do a lot of repairs for your fleet, or you're an owner operator that do a lot of repairs, this is the easiest way to change the glad handle on these trailers, especially when they are inside that little cutout, because you don't have a lot of room in there to really use certain type of tool in there. And whenever I put these glad hands on, I always put them at an angle. I don't put them straight up. When you put it at an angle, it's easier for you to hook up the Airlines to it. And the rubber grommets, I keep a lot of those also, because sometimes they go bad, they get dry rot. Sometimes somebody else might pick up a trailer that don't have it, and they take one out of your trailer that you go to get. So it's good to have.